What's up, guys? Today taking a look at Start Me Up from the Rolling Stones in open G tuning. So if you don't know what that is, check it out in the link in the description. Got some reverb, and on the bridge pickup, clean channel, and other than that, just got the mid-range pumped up. So 5th fret's where we're starting out. We're going to do a full bar from 1 to 5 on that 5th fret and make sure all 5 strings are, barred so they're all ringing out. You're going to strum once, and then right from there, you're going to hold that bar. Over here on 6th fret, you're fretting 2nd string, and 7th fret, you're fretting 4th string, and then you're going to strum 5 to 1 twice. And then that repeats, so you just got, and then right after you do that twice, you come back and you take these fingers off, and you're going to strum twice from 5 to 1. And then you're going to put your fingers back on them same frets. You're going to strum 5 to 1 twice. And then you're going to take it off, and you're going to strum 5 to 1 once. And then from there, we move up here, 3rd fret, and we're barring the 4th and 5th string. We're going to go ahead and strum that once. And then over here on the 5th fret, we're just fretting the 4th string, and you're going to strum 5 and 4 once. Take it off, and you're going to repeat that. And then the 3rd time, you're going to do this, strum through 5 and 4 2 times. And then we're refretting 4th string, 5th fret, strumming through 5 and 4 once. And then we're going to repeat that, strum through 5 and 4. And then we're going to refret the 4th on the 5th and strum through 5 and 4 once. So you got... You're going to end there, and then it's right back to the first part.